Hello everyone. So if you want to make an automatic farm of anything in Minecraft, so first you place 7 blocks of anything you want. For me, I'm doing stone. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We place a block up. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You can make this as long as you want from the X axis and the Z axis. I will go with 2 floors right here, and for this I'll do like something like 2. Now we place the dirt. Then the stone layer like the other side. Now we place water right here. And we close it. You can pick any side you want. I will pick that side for this floor. Then close it with dirt. Now we take our hoe. Plant it. I will be planting wheat. Wheat. Now you get dispensers. Put 2 dispensers and buckets inside them. 1 stone right here. Then redstone up. A repeater for the signal. Maybe another repeater. And here we put our button. Now if we press it, water should fall like that. For this certain block, we will place some hoppers. Hoppers facing to that side. Wait. And here a double chest. Now they should be in the chest. If we plant anything, it will be in the chest. Something like we plant again some wheat. Wait, sorry for that. It's hard. Now if we press the button, all of them should go to the chest. Yes. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for other tutorials.